The competition was on last Saturday as Matua Manaya teams gathered for the annual aerobics competition in Paliasi, an event that was initiated a year ago to encourage physical activity amongst communities has proven successful with a number of village sessions set up. This was a chance for groups to show off some of their high and low impact moves mixed in with music, and months of preparation finally paid off. But it was the group from Wheneone Hakupuatua that took a clean sweep in the competition, with the best choreographed routine coming in first, followed closely by last year's winners Alufi North, and third place went to Avasele. Also taking the shield for best uniform, that went to Hakupu. Some of the consolation prizes given out on the night to Gregory Harding and Dean Nevalangi, representing the menfolk on the island. It was all over in under 2 hours, and Matua Manaya are looking forward to some tougher competition next year and hopefully more representation. Aerobic sessions in the communities are ongoing, but the message is to get out, get busy, and to get into some form of physical activity.